Imagine retouching any model face, replacing any objects from the image, changing the image background, turning any image into a new style, or even restoring an old image. If you want to do all of this with Photoshop, you have to spend hours upon hours. But today, I am going to introduce an AI-powered online photo editing platform providing one-stop visual content solutions. Let's dive in. Introducing Fotor, a trusted name in the realm of online photo editing, design, and AI image creation. I will put the link in the description. Once you click on the link, you will be on the Fotor homepage. Now we have to create an account. Click on the Sign Up button and create an account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this. Here you will find the photo manipulation or image generation features of Fotor. Let's explore all of them one by one. First of all, the text to image. With this feature, we can generate images from text prompts. After coming to this page, enter your text prompt in this box. I am entering a ready prompt. Next, you can add negative prompt. After that, set the aspect ratio and art style. In the end, set the number of images. You can generate a maximum of 6 images at a time. After all is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is, our images are ready. You can see the results. Now to download the images, click on the Download button here. Not only from text, but Fotor also allows you to create images from image references. Come to the From Image tab. Now upload the reference image. I will upload this one. After uploading the image, choose a style from here. You can add additional prompts if you want. After that, in the advanced setting, you can set the similarity level of your reference image. After all is set, hit the Generate button. And here are our results. They are just amazing. Alright, the next feature is AI Headshot. If you are running a social media influencer account and you have to post so many images, then this feature is for you. With this feature, you can create unlimited images from just one face image. After coming to this page, select the model gender and then click on Start Generating. On the next page, you have to select the image styles. Select all the styles you need or love to generate. Now we have to upload a font-facing and clear face image. I am uploading one of my previous virtual influencer images. Now we have to upload some more images to train our avatar. Try to upload as many as possible and at least 3 images. After uploading the images, click on the Generate button. Now it will take some time to generate the images. We have to wait some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. The Fotor avatar generator generates 40 images for us. We selected 10 templates. Fotor has generated 4 images for every template. To be honest, the images are just awesome. It keeps the same face but different poses and environments. How are they? Let me know in the comments section. Alright, now to generate more images, click on Create New AI Avatar, and in the same way, select the reference face image and other images. It's so simple. Let's move forward to the next feature, AI Replacer. With the AI Replacer, bid farewell to unwanted objects in your photos. To replace objects using Fotor's AI Replacer, first of all we have to upload the image. After uploading the image, identify the objects in your picture that you wish to replace with AI. There are 2 methods, automatic and brush. Select the area you want to change and then enter the replacing object description on this prompt box and hit the Generate button. For example, I want to change these flowers into roses. After inputting this prompt, click the Generate button and watch as the flowers have been replaced with roses. That's really good. Once you find a replacement you're satisfied with, select it and click on the Download button. Alright, the next feature of Fotor is Face Swap. With this tool, you can swap faces between images simultaneously. After selecting the tool, you have to upload the source image. After uploading the source image, upload the targeted image. And then hit the Swap Face Now button. And here it is, our image is ready. And you can see, the face has been swapped effortlessly. You can see a before and after version from here. To download the image on your device, click on the Download button from here. Alright, let's move forward to the next feature, AI Expand. If you are a social media marketer and you need various sizes of images, then this tool is a game changer for you. This tool intelligently expands your canvas while maintaining the image quality. To extend an image using AI, after selecting the AI Extender tool, upload an image from your computer that you'd like to extend. After uploading the image, you'll need to adjust the zoom size of the image to determine how much you want to extend it. Or you can set the custom size. After all is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is, our images are ready. The results are too good. Fotor did a great job. Once you've chosen the desired result, click on the Apply button. To download the extended AI image, click on the Download button from here. Okay, our next feature or tool on Fotor is AI Background Remover. With this tool, you can remove background from your images and add a new background. It effortlessly isolates your subject and creates a transparent background in a second, making it ideal for creating stunning product mock-ups. To remove backgrounds from your image, click on the Upload Image button or simply drag and drop your image here. Once the image has been uploaded, you'll notice that the background of our image has been flawlessly removed. This feature is particularly helpful in bringing your product backgrounds to life and plays a crucial role in product promotion. Alright, our next feature is the Magic Eraser. With this tool, you can erase unwanted objects from your image. For example, I want to remove this object from this image. After uploading the image, select the area with the brush tool and then hit the Remove button from here. And here it is. You can see the object has been removed perfectly. That's amazing. Next, I will talk about another amazing feature, AI Enhancer. It's a one-tap magic for enhancing your photos. Sometimes, your photos just need a little boost. The AI Enhancer does exactly that with a single click. It automatically adjusts brightness, contrast, and color for a more vibrant and professional look. To enhance a photo, click here to upload the image. Once the photo is uploaded successfully, the AI tool will then automatically start the process of smartly fixing image details and improving image resolution. Once the process is complete, you'll see a window displaying before and after enhancement photos. The AI Enhancer tool upscales low-quality, blurry, and dull images to HD quality. To apply the result of this photo enhancement effect, simply click on the Apply button. You'll find the Download button located on the top right side of the page. Click on it to proceed with the download. Let's move forward to the next feature. Now I will talk about another amazing interesting feature called AI Skin Retouch. If you are a model photographer, then it will be your time saver. You don't need to spend an hour to retouch your model skin. Just select the tool, and then upload your model image. After uploading the image, AI will automatically retouch the face and make it more beautiful. Isn't it a great feature? Let me know in the comments section. Okay, what next? Now I will talk about the AI Old Photo Restoration feature. That breathes new life into cherished memories. Fotor's AI technology can even restore your precious old photos. After uploading the image, turn on the Photo Restore and the Photo Colorizer option if needed, and then hit the Start button. And here it is, Fotor has restored the image effortlessly. The results are truly remarkable. To download the restored photo, simply click on the Download button provided. There are some other incredible tools also available on Fotor. All of them are so good. It's not possible to explore all of the features of Fotor in a single video. I will suggest you explore all of them step by step. If you want, I make a second part on Fotor. So let me know in the comments section. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the Fotor AI image generator and editing features. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!